Well, when it comes time to do homework, is your child really struggling when it comes to math? Well, good news, there's help. There's Larry Schott, excuse me. He's the owner and director of Mathnasium of Gilbert.
That's right.
Larry, parents right now are jumping up and down for joy right now just to hear that. You know, I remember being, younger and my dad and I fighting all the time because he got to the answer a different way than I got to the answer. Do you remember those days?
I do.
What is Mathnasium and how are you helping kids and parents?
Okay, well, Mathnasium is an after-school learning center. We teach only math, and we go first grade through high school, and the goal is to make children understand math, help them understand math, and enjoy it.
There is nothing more frustrating than trying to deal with a math problem. I was just talking to my son about it the other day. How is it that you make it fun? How do you make that shift in a young person's thinking? Well,
we have a proprietary curriculum and our teaching methods. We call it the Mathnasium method. And that leads to understanding, and in many cases, kids end up loving math.
Oh, well, guys, that's going to make everybody so happy, including the parents, because it's sometimes just a battle. Is there ever a point in time where it's too late?
No, it's never too late. No.
Oh, good to know.
Never too late.
Good to know.
Yes.
How is it that you guys use your methods to, I know that because you want it to be fun. You don't want the kids to think, I've got to go to an after-school program to do math, but you really turn it around and make it an experience.
We do.
How do you do that?
Well, a lot of it is our instructors, the training they go through, the rapport they gain with the students, and that combined with the method, the curriculum, the atmosphere we try to establish, it all leads to success. And when kids are successful, they enjoy what they're doing.
Exactly. How about success stories? Tell me about some success stories that you might have with some of your students.
Oh, we've had many success stories from students that are 3 or 4 grades behind, and we'll have them ahead of their grade level.
I imagine you see their self-esteem improve as well.
We do. We do. A lot of the kids come in feeling they're hopeless, they can't do math, they can't do anything, and when we turn that around, it just opens up all sorts of possibilities for them.
Excellent. Well, you have a little example here, and this is part of the method that you use, and explain to me how this method works.
Well, one of the big problems kids struggle with is word problems or story problems, and this is one way they can do this problem. If 3 balloons cost 5 cents, how much will 12 balloons cost? This is one way to solve it. They can draw a picture, and this is what the younger students will do.
Okay.
Now, another way is what we call a proportion, and a proportion, we know that 1/2 equals 2/4, right?
Right.
Okay, and we know that's true because the cross products are the same. See, 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4. We can do the same thing here. We know 3 balloons cost 5 cents, so we want to know what 12 balloons will cost. 5 times 12 is 60, right?
Right.
What's 60 divided by 3?
I don't know.
Okay, it's 20. And that's our answer.
See, I need you. I need you. And so this is the visual method that you help. And see,
That's right.
I can understand this. I'm a very visual learner.
Yeah.
But even younger children being able to draw this out. This is part of the technique, right? You use something like this with older children.
As they develop, as they gain knowledge.
Right.
This is what we call a proportion. And a proportion is 2 equal ratios. And as I said, the cross products are the same.
I think that summer is probably a pretty important time for kids too. Do you offer summer programs
We do.
for
We have
kids?
summer programs that start after Memorial Day.
Okay.
And it's a great time for kids to catch up, sometimes even get ahead.
Yes.
Get a preview of what's going to happen in the next semester, so it's a great time.
All right. I think I need to sign up, quite frankly, Larry. All right. Let me give you some information. If your child needs help with math, Mathnasium, guess what? They have 12 Valley locations to choose from. Here's all you need to do. Give them a call at 877-601-MATH, or you can also visit them online at mathnasium.com to find the location nearest you. And they have a special offer for you today. You get an assessment and 2 lessons for just $59. Help the kids stay focused and possibly get ahead this summer. Susan?